If you want to know how to send videos on Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to attach and send a video through Gmail, step by step. This is perfect whether you're sending a school project, a work clip, or just sharing a video with friends and family. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Gmail. You can do that by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already signed in. After that, look for the compose button and click it to start a new email. Now you'll see a blank message window. In the to field, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you type it correctly so your video goes to the right person. Next, add a subject line. This helps the recipient know what the email is about. You can also type a short message in the body of the email if you want to add a note before sending the video. Once your email is ready, look along the bottom of the compose window for the paperclip icon. This is the attach files button. Click that icon to open your device's file browser. From there, find the video file you want to send. It could be in your downloads folder, videos folder, or anywhere else on your computer or phone, depending on where you saved it. Select the video file, then click open. Gmail will start uploading the video to your email. Now all you need to do is wait for the upload to finish. If your video is small, this usually only takes a few seconds or a couple of minutes. If the file is larger, it may take a little longer depending on your internet speed. Here's something important to know. If the video file is too large for standard email attachment limits, Gmail may automatically upload it to Google Drive and insert a drive link instead. That means the recipient will still be able to access the video, but it will be shared through Google Drive rather than sent as a direct file attachment. This is completely normal, and it helps you send larger videos more easily. After the upload is complete, double check that the video appears in your email before you send it. Make sure the recipient address is correct, the subject line looks good, and your message is ready. When everything looks right, click send, and that's it. Your video has now been sent through Gmail. If you ever need to send another video, just repeat the same process. Open Gmail, compose a new message, attach the file, wait for it to upload, and send it off. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.